it's me, Lily Matthews, and today we're gonna be getting glam together, and I'm so excited. Sorry, I've been watching too much Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Hey everyone! So today we are going to be getting glam together, girls and guys, and turning into A-list celebrities. Literally before I started filming this, I was like practicing my poses in the mirror for what I would do in front of like the paparazzi if you're on a red carpet. Anyways, this makeup is very much inspired by the Kardashians' makeup because, as I mentioned before, I have been watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians for like the first time in forever. I just wanted to be as beautiful and glam as them. Also, I've been sick this week, so it would be like good to put some makeup on and just feel snatched and beautiful. Not that I'm not beautiful without makeup. Like, wearing makeup is a different type of beauty to like natural beauty. I'm rambling, so let's just get started. Woo woo. Also, I'm going to be doing a little TikTok of this transformation too. So go follow me on TikTok if you haven't already. Or if you're here from TikTok, hi. This is what my voice sounds like. I'm Lily. Nice to meet ya. I'm just gonna get started now. I forgot to say, also I did my hair today, unlike most of my other videos. Okay, so I'm gonna start by prepping the skin with my moisturizer. This is just the a rose hip one. There's a rose hip oil in it. We love essential oils. And I'm also going to add a little tiny bit of coconut oil. Like literally a drop. We're just going to use our hands because we ain't that bougie. I'm also going to take this under my eyes a little. Especially since our concealer is pretty like drying. Well, my concealer is. Why am I speaking for both of us? Or whoever's watching this, however many there are. Probably none. Just kidding. Oil, I feel, just helps blend out my concealer because my concealer is like pretty drying. It's the e.l.f. one. And it can be hard to move around sometimes. So by just putting a tiny bit of oil on the skin, it'll help. That's like a good tip. Also, if you bought a really drying foundation and you don't like that, just put a tiny bit of coconut oil on the skin and you should be good. It will sort of turn it into more of a dewy foundation. I was going to start with my eyes, but I'm too excited to do my face, so I'm actually going to start with my face first. So I've got this here, which is all my colours I'm going to use for my face. So we've got, they're on this palette because they're sort of like, I made a lot of these colours. Pretty much all of them are like customized, so I wanted my skin colour to be slightly darker because I'm going to highlight a lot. And I feel like it will look better if it's slightly more warm toned and darker. And then we've got this, my concealer here, which I lightened up a little bit because we want a really dramatic effect, highlighting effect and contouring effect. Then I made my own little peachy blush because I don't have one. Then I made my own bronzer just because I felt like it. And since we're using all other cream products, I thought it would be good. And then we've got a little contour shade right here that I made. And I feel like I'm going to make a video where I show you how to make your own shades of things, because it's a pretty handy thing to know, especially if you're a makeup artist or wanting to be a makeup artist like me. I washed my makeup brushes today, but I don't think this brush is dry yet. and that's kind of worrying me. I think I'm going to use the sponge instead for my foundation. So I'm just going in with foundation. I think I should actually do my eyes now and then come back to this. I think you broke my heart. I'm going to do eyebrows, and I just use eyeshadow colours for my eyebrows. I like to use this one, warm one here, and then this black. Very carefully. I feel like eyebrows is one of those things you just got to learn and practice how to do until you get it like the right shape and the right colour. I feel like no one can really tell you how to do your eyebrows. They can tell you how to do eyebrows, but I feel like you know, it's just, eyebrows is one of those things that everyone has to practice at to get good at, I feel. I used to try and make my eyebrows look exactly the same, but now I just like each individual eyebrow for how they look, and I just fill in the natural shape of each eyebrow. Okay, so now we're going to be taking this concealer shade and putting that on my eyelid. Oh my gosh, this is legit white. I'm gonna go ahead and set the base. So for the eye look, I think I'm going with sort of like a soft glam sort of smoked out wing maybe, or maybe just a normal wing. My favorite color to start with is this color here, and I'm just taking this on a big blending brush, and I am just going to be putting this in my crease and above my crease as a transition shade. The colour that we first put on is pretty much the same colour as my face. Now I'm going to take this brush here, which is slightly smaller than the first blending brush we used. I think I'm going to go in with this colour here. I think I'm going to put this on the outer bit and bringing it into the crease. I'm just going to take this first blending brush we used for the transition shade and blend. Okay, so I feel like that colour was slightly warmer than I thought, and also slightly lighter than I thought too. So now I'm just going to mix these two colours together and apply that extremely lightly. And I'm going to put that in the exact same place we just put the other colour. Then I'm going to take the blending brush and just help blend all the colours together. Okay, so now I just want to take a little bit of the concealer and lighten up the inner half of the eye. Just taking this concealer brush and blending it out almost how you would blend out an eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take this this brush and just blend around the edges. I'm going to take a little bit of powder and set the concealer. Okay, so I really want to lift the eye up, so I'm going to add a little eyeliner flick and then decide if I want to like smoke it out a little or not. Okay, so now I'm just going to add a little bit of black eyeshadow on top and smoke it out a little tiny bit. Okay, so I am going to clean those wings up, but I'm now just going to add a few individual eyelashes. Just add a little flare at the end, you know. Okay, so while my eyelashes are drying, I think I'm going to start back on the face with some contouring. So I'm just going to place all the contour first, and then I'll go in with this sponge and blend it out. Okay, so I blended out the contour, and now I'm going to go in with a bit of the bronzer. I feel like this is quite dark. Yep, that's really dark. Okay. Whoa. And then I'm going to go in and just... Oh, okay. Well, that's not what I meant to do. Let's blend that out. Okay, now we're gonna go in and conceal, baby. And my weapons of choice are this flat brush, this concealer brush, and a sponge. This is the chance where you get to clean up the eyeshadow. Also taking this down the side of the nose to clean the nose contour up too. I'm going to take a stripe straight down the middle of my nose. Now the last thing from this little palette before we set our face is to add the nice peachy blush. Okay, so now I'm just going to go all over my face and neck and set the whole thing. Okay, so now I am going to go in with some powder contour, and I just use an angle brush like this. Now I'm also going to go in with some more bronzer. Okay, so now I'm also going to apply a little bit of powdered blush. Now I'm going to go in on my cheeks with this beautiful metallic highlight. Then I'm also going to just blend this in with the blush brush. Now I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and pretty much just draw a line down my nose of highlight. That way you don't lose the nose contour kind of effect. So now it's time for lips. So what I'm going to do is take this MAC lip liner in Stone, and it's a quite like dark coolish tone color, which is really good to like contour your lips with to make them look bigger. That's what I'm gonna line my lips with. Okay, so once I've lined them like that, I'm then gonna go in and fill in the edges of the lip with the lip liner. Okay, so once your lips look something like this, I'm now gonna take, oh my gosh, has that melted? Oh no, it hasn't. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna take the MAC lipstick in the shade Bronx, and this is a matte lip color too. And I'm gonna fill in my lips. And I'm just gonna blend the edges in with my finger. And then you can also go back in with a lip liner if you're not happy with it and like darken the edges a bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with the concealer and dab a little bit of this in the middle of my lip. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of that concealer and clean the lip line up. Now the last step for this makeup look is to put on some mascara. And I'm just using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for some, I can't speak. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for some people. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Just kidding, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.